So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to do a product breakdown of the product Zapier. So let's start. So firstly we will look at the agenda. So today's agenda would be firstly product overview, then key features, then target audience, then moving on to user journey, business model, competitive analysis, and lastly SWOT analysis. So now let's look into the product overview of Zapier. So it is a no-code, low-code automation and integration platform that enables users to connect different web applications and automate the repetitive tasks. It supports over 8,000 plus applications. It is widely used across small businesses, teams, and enterprises to reduce the manual work and improve consistency in data. And it is also a SaaS product which is hosted on the cloud with APIs, connectors, and visual UI for non-technical users. So now let's look into the key features of Zapier. Firstly is Zaps. So first it defines a trigger, and along with that it gets a follow-up action on the same. Then we have the multi-step and conditional logic. So it basically enables more realistic business logic. Let's say there's a if else condition which says that if status equal to X, then do A, otherwise do B. And along with that there are more these kinds of conditional logic. And then we have integration library. So these are also called as pre-built connectors, which are ready to use connectors to over 8,000 plus applications. Then we have AI agents and chatbots. So these are basically orchestrated AI powered chatbots embedded in the workflows itself. Then some more key features which include the data storage, often called as tables. So it actually it actually helps to keep track of important information within the Zapier without needing another database. Then we have functions. So for users who prefer writing custom logics or transformations using code, for them we have JavaScript or other. For them we have actually functions which uses more which uses programming languages such as JavaScript and more. Then we have team collaboration and permissions, so you can basically share your workflows with other teams and with control over what who can do what. Then we have the security and reliability, so it keeps your data safe and ensure that workflows are running smoothly. Now let's look into the target audience of Zapier. We have small to medium businesses, enterprises or IT services, freelancers, and students. So these are the four important categories of users who uses the Zapier mostly. Now let's look into the user journey of Zapier's users. Let's say that the user is frustrated because of manual tasks. For example, exporting leads from the form to a CRM and sending follow-up emails manually. So that is a hectic work. So now he searches an automation tool or something that would help to reduce its manual work. So on Google he searches that how to automate tasks between apps, and he got to know about Zapier, or on YouTube he searches about the tutorials about it, or through some colleague or word of mouth he got to know about Zapier. So now he visits the Zapier website, watches some demo videos, and browse some pre-made automation templates. He also even looked at some other applications or other tools as well and compares it with Zapier. Then he gets to know about the free plan. He looks for simple examples, simple tutorials that would reduce his manual work. Let's say like when you get a new Gmail, it saves the attachment to Google Drive. Then he checks the pricing or limitations of the free plan. Then we move on to the next phase, onboarding phase. So user has finally decided to try out the product. He creates a free account. He selects favorite applications, example Slack, Google Sheets, or Notion. He builds its first automation using a guided step wizard that Zapier have, and he tests and activates the Zap. Then we have the next phase of it, which is engagement and habit transformation. So the user is now more engaged with the application Zapier. He is building more workflows for different tasks. He invites teammates to collaborate and share automations. Also, he starts exploring the premium features like multi-step zaps or AI tools. So now the user is basically like very happy to use the Zapier's platform, and the user is, we can say in technical terms, the user is retained. So now he upgrades to the paid plan, and as the users increases, then he manages Zap regularly, checks the logs and fine-tune the workflows. He also uses the advanced features like tables, interfaces, functions for deeper automation. Now it has come to advocacy. So now he is recommending Zapier to his colleagues and is posting about it online. He's building and sharing the templates publicly. He's also writing testimonials about the Zapier's platform and Zapier's features and on the Zapier's community forums. Now there is also one more thing about it, the Zapier's referral program. So now the user is also taking part in Zapier's referral program. uh, so it is basically a referral or a loyalty program to reward the advocates for the sharing. It is also the user spotlight campaigns to feature powered users and their workflows. They also provide exclusive beta access to new AI and automation features. So basically, you got the point, right? So, from the awareness phase, the advocacy phase, this is the journey of the Zapier's user. So now let's look into the business model of Zapier. So we have four plans. First one is free plan, which starts from $0. So you can start it for free. Just you need to create your account and start with the free plan. Then we have professional plan, which starts with $19.99 per month. Then we have the team plan, and lastly the enterprise plan. So these that needs to be contact with the sales team if you want to take the enterprise plan. And these here on the screen there are the features listed with every plan. So now let's look into the competitive analysis of Zapier. So we have firstly the Make platform, formerly called as Integromat. So it has also strong visual workflow builder with more flexible and branching logic. Then we have Microsoft Power Automate. So it is integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem enterprise grade connectors. So this platform is mostly used for professional use because it has all the Microsoft ecosystem connected with it. Then we have Workato. It has more enterprise grade features, complex logic, and broader integration reach. Then we have NA10. So it is basically an open source alternative, self-hosting, code-friendly uh, automation tool. So now let's look into the SWOT analysis of Zapier. What are the strengths? Extensive app ecosystem, ease of use, continuous innovation, and brand trust and market leadership. So these are the strengths of it. Then we have the weakness, which is high pricing for heavy users, limited deep customization, dependency on third-party APIs, and the learning curve for complex apps. Then the opportunities are AI-powered automation. Then there's enterprise expansion, partnership ecosystem, emerging market adoption, and also vertical specialization. Then we have threats. So rising competition is there. Native automation tools are available in the market. There is also market saturation because of the booming technology of AI, and also there's data privacy and compliance risk and economic slowdowns. So that's it for today. We are done with the product breakdown of Zapier. Hope you liked it. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.